Hi guys! Welcome to my August bullet journal spread. This month's theme is strawberries, which are arguably the cutest fruit in the entire universe. To start off, I'm writing August with my brush pen. Next to that, I'm making little red blobs with my mild liner and then putting a few lines on the top for the leaves. I'm then going in and outlining the shape of the strawberry and making some little circles to fill in the gap. To make a space to write the dates of the week, I'm making a little rectangle with construction paper. I've kind of given it wavy edges so it could look like tape. Next, I'm just gluing it down and then writing August over it and also the dates of the week. On the right hand side, I'm using a strip of construction paper to make a section for tasks I need to get done on the weekend. For the rest of my weekly spread, I'm making another strawberry and then using a marker to make a little stripe. I'm doing this in a quick stroke so it kind of looks like strawberry jam. This part is really not supposed to be perfect. And here is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. For this spread, I was inspired by another one I saw on Instagram, so I'll have the original one linked down below. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!